Welcome to our graduation regalia tutorial video. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps of wearing your graduation regalia for a doctoral level degree program. Whether you're a graduating student, a proud family member, or just curious about the attire, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Step 1. Dress code. Underneath your graduation regalia, it is recommended to wear business casual or formal attire. This is an important event, and dressing appropriately adds to the significance of the occasion. Step 2. Gown. The doctoral gown is typically more elaborate than those of lower degrees, often featuring velvet panels and wider sleeves. The sleeves of the doctoral gown are typically bell-shaped and may have 3 velvet stripes. Begin by holding your gown with the front facing you. Slide your arms through the sleeves of the gown. Adjust the gown so that it falls evenly down the front and back of your body. Step 3. Tam. The tam is a type of cap worn by doctoral graduates. It is often made of velvet and has a flat, rounded top with a tassel attached to one side. Place the tam on your head with the larger side tilted slightly backward. Ensure the tam fits securely and comfortably. It should be worn flat on the head. Step 4. Tassel. Before the ceremony, the tassel should be worn on the left side of the tam. During the ceremony, when directed, move the tassel to the right side of the tam to signify your achievement. Step 5. Hood. The hood for business administration graduates is drab in color, symbolizing your field of study, and blue, which represents your institution's color. The hood should be draped over your shoulder with the velvet side facing outward, allowing the school color blue to show prominently. The drab color for business administration should be visible inside the hood. Hold the hood with the velvet side, drab, facing outward and the narrow end pointing down. Place the hood around your neck with the velvet drab side up, letting it drape down your back. Secure the hood by attaching the loop or button on the hood to a button or hook on your gown. And there you have it. You're dressed and ready to celebrate your tremendous achievement as a doctorate graduate. Congratulations on completing your program.